hello lovely people, good morning, oh good evening, it's evening here, and it's drizzling, guys. Let me tell you, it's not drizzling, it's raining, and it's whoo, guys, let me tell you. So guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Even you can see around me, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, feel most welcome. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking back into my channel. I appreciate the love and support you guys are showing. I can't take it for granted. Thank you so much. So guys, I'm at home. I came here today to help my mom to plant, but guess what? Everything is not good. Everything is not good. Today we have experienced. See our dog, it's Miss Me. Okay, it's okay. So let me tell you, it's not good. So you can see we were planting, but today we have experienced hailstone lane. Everywhere is hailstone, guys. This is my very first time experiencing it, and guys, it's drizzling, but I say let me just make this video, guys, to show you today for the first time here in Nyabohanse, East Africa, Kenya, we are experiencing hailstone lane. Let me show you guys. This is what we are experiencing. This our compound. This is what we are experiencing. Oh God, Uwe. My mom is telling me to put on the gumboots, guys. To put on gumboots. Yeah, so let me show you even our avocado tree. Okay, I'll show you the maize here. See guys, our compound. Hey, this one here my mom planted early, but oh my goodness, oh my everything. Oh, I'm covering it, so everything. See guys, let me just take you around. Although it's drizzling, but we have to make this video. I show you what is going on here. Our neighbor cassava. Oh my god, let me go and check down there. Our cassavas also, everything is, oh my goodness. If this is what people experience, the hailstone, this one no, this one no. Well, everywhere is hailstone. Ish. If you see our compound, guys, oh my god, it has destroys farmers product, guys. Can I say product? Farmers plant the maize. For the people who planted earlier, let me show you. You can see, I don't know why in GoPro you can see from the other, see where we are coming from. See guys, and it's raining and the hailstone still is there. Only firewood. People will see, we can't see where we are heading to. Oh my GoPro, man, I don't want to spoil it. This is my baby. So this is the situation right now in village, and it's still see, everywhere is hailstone, and it's still 5 p.m. Yeah, not even 6, 5. Wait a minute, guys. Wait. See, we had here some sweet potatoes, but no sweet potatoes. We had here our cassavas, no cassavas. Just some sticks. Oh my god, I don't know if we'll have the sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have been destroyed. This is so bad. We have never experienced something like this. I think we'll come and take the sweet potatoes. Maybe, oh yeah, they are there. The sweet potatoes. See the cassava. This is the cassava. Oh my god. Woo, woo. Even the maize. I know there's nothing here. See the cassava now. Oh my god. This is the cassava. Oh my goodness. The maize. Our maize. This bad. Oh my god. These are big rows. You see, there were, this is now the maize. It was germinating. See the maize. It was germinating. See, this is the maize now. This is the maize. I don't know if it will germinate. See, this is the rows. Oh no, see. Oh my god. Oh, this is so bad. And it's still raining, guys. Let's head back home. It's still raining. It's still raining. Let's go back home. Wow. We have never experienced something like this. I know some places they experience something like this, but in my country, this is the first time we are experiencing something like this. Woo! Thomas Olympiad, guys. Woo! So let's go back home. Let me know in comment section, guys. In your country, has it ever happened like this? Yeah, let me know in comment section if it have ever happened like this in your country's situation right now. The only thing that people will benefit from this rain is just apart from the big growth, because right now the farmers are going to start replanting. You can see, like in our farm, we are going to start afresh. The only thing that people are going to benefit apart from big growth is the water. Yes, only water, nothing else. See, like our neighbor here, their cassavas just stick standing. Woo! They have here some maize, guys. Oh my god, this is so bad. This is so bad. This is so bad. I think sometimes it's happened with a reason. We don't know. Yeah, anyway, let me take you around our home. You see how everything is. From this avocado tree, this is the situation. Let's go at the back. Go inside. See, situation. The situation. Woo. The situation right now. The situation right now. See guys. The situation. Oh my god. See? See? I think tomorrow it will be here. See? I think tomorrow it will still be here. Ooh, this is the situation right now here. Ooh, God. The situation. Purple tree have no, see, like this one, and you know, like there's some purples like the other one there. Yeah, I hope you can see it. You know, right now, because the purple have been beaten by the hailstones, it will be very bitter when you take them. When they will ripe, they will be very bitter. See, like here, all of these are the hailstone. All of these are the hailstone. See guys, all of these, this one, oops, see, these are the, why, my god, I will get sick, I will get sick. See this, all of these are the hailstone. All of this, we have never experienced something like this. See guys, all of this is hailstone. All of it, hailstone. Oh god, all of these. Ooh, this so bad. This so bad. All of these. Ooh. Yeah, so this is the situation right now. Even my mom veggies here, they were not left outside. The veggies here, oh my god, this is so bad. The maize that we planted today, so bad. Guys, this is the weather here right now. Right now, this is the weather. See, see, see. Whoo, guys, oh my goodness. Huh? Hey. See, it's raining, and see guys, whoo, see the veggies. See, whoo, see guys, see bananas. Oh my god, and I feel lightening so much. See this is the hailstone. Oh my god, first time we experience it. Everything, see the maize, it's destroyed it. Oh lord, guys, I was here, we were planting today the maize, but let me tell you, everything has been swept away. See this. Oh, why am I even taking it? We were planting today. I came to help my mom to plant some maize, and it's just raining, so I was here. We were planting in this farm, but let me tell you guys, I think we will replant here, because my goodness, guys, see here we had planted early, but okay, we can just even collect the firewood. That's the thing that you can do, only firewood. See the hailstone. Oh my god, but there's a lot of firewood, but the maize, the everything, oops. Guys, let me tell you, this crazy. I don't know why it feels like in camera. Okay, let me just collect firewood because now it's only firewood. I put them here. Farmers are wondering, oh my God, farmers are in tears. Hey, guys, we have never experienced something like this in our village. Hey, our maize. Oh, Lord. Okay, we'll correct the firewood later. I think someone should be in gumboots. Axe! This crazy. Oh my God. And it's still raining. See? Where? Our maize. See this one. Nothing. The bananas, the maize, the pawpaws, everything. See guys, the pawpaws, the bananas, the maize. See, oh God, oh God. See, bananas. Hey, see, this was the pumpkin. See, kids. Oh my God. See the kids. What? Oh my goodness, guys, let me show you here the avocado trees. See, I don't know if you guys are seeing. See the press. No leaves, no leaves. See how it looks like. See here, everything. The avocados are destroyed. The small ones, the big ones, only one. Whew. See, oh, I see some avocado. They were being, let me pick them. This one, guys, and see, and this one. Oh my God, it rains. First time we experiencing hailstone rain here in our village. Oh, see here, see this avocado tree. I know in some places the houses have been have fall. Let me use that because this rain. See our compound, guys. Woo. See our compound. This is the situation right now in village. It rained hailstone. See guys, see. This is crazy, man. See. Woo. Woo. This is crazy. First time experiencing hailstones. Oh my God. See guys, it just rained hailstones. Woo. Very cold. Guys, what? Guys. See, when you step, you leave a mark. Oops. It's here lightening.